All right, we're looking to help you out here on numbers 4 through 6. Notice the direction. It says, what is the asymptote of the exponential function shown? So the asymptote is, it seems like a tough thing, but it's really not. It's always going to be y equals. And all you have to look at is, you see how your graph, how it starts to level off at that spot right there? So essentially find where it's starting to level off and then just kind of go back. And where does it cross the y? So notice, where does it cross the y right there? It crosses it at 2. So your asymptote here is y equals 2. Because what happens is that line, that graph, will never cross your asymptote. It'll never touch it. It kind of just stays almost parallel with it forever. But it actually keeps going down forever. It's actually a wild concept. But so the asymptote is, you just kind of follow where it kind of ends at right there, and just kind of follow that line back to where it has the y. So y equals 2 here. So let's take a look at this one. Again, we're finding out where our graph kind of ends. And notice up here it has that little u, and then it starts to level off right here. So notice it levels off right there. I'm going to follow that line back here. I'm just going to draw it all the way across. Where is that on the y? Well, if that's -2, that has to be -1 right there. That's -1, so my asymptote is y equals -1. And that is essentially how you find the asymptote. Just kind of find where it starts to level off at, and then bring it back to where it crosses or where it's about to be at the on the y. So y equals 2. Notice here, where did it kind of level off at? Then you kind of bring it back, and where is it on the y? And that's at -1 there. So that's how you'd find the asymptote for numbers 4 through 6 on the quiz.